Hi kids, I'm teacher Stephie, your online reading teacher. Are you ready to read with me? Okay, let's begin. I see the sun. The sun is bright. Again. I see the sun. The sun is bright. Now you read. Good job. I see the moon. The moon is white. Again. I see the moon. The moon is white. Now you read. Nice reading. I see the sky. The sky is blue. Again. I see the sky. The sky is blue. Now you read. Very good. I see the rain. The rain is wet. Again. I see the rain. The rain is wet. Now you read. Awesome job. I see the wind. The wind is strong. Again. I see the wind. The wind is strong. Now you read. You did it. I see a hill. The hill is steep. Again. I see a hill. The hill is steep. Now you read. Good job. I see a tree. The tree is tall. Again. I see a tree. The tree is tall. Now you read. Nice reading. I see a rock. The rock is gray. Again, I see a rock. The rock is gray. Now you read. Very good. I see the stars. The stars are far. Again. I see the stars. The stars are far. Now you read. Awesome job! I see the grass. The grass is green. Again. I see the grass. The grass is green. Now you read. Great job, kids! Thank you for reading with me.